An outsized, colorfully striped beak, bright orange, webbed feet, and clown-like eyes are the Atlantic Puffin's trademarks. For 9 months of the year, this sturdy seabird lives an often solitary life far out at sea. It's a stark contrast to its breeding season when the puffin comes ashore to join one of many highly sociable and noisy colonies dotting the rocky coasts and islands. Usually seen singly or in pairs, puffins are excellent swimmers, propelling themselves through the water with their wings. They are poor flyers, though. When a puffin takes off, it flies low over the water, flapping its wings up to an incredible 400 beats a minute to stay airborne. Its legs are placed far back on its body, so it often has to crash land in a strong wind. Highly social, puffins gather in huge groups offshore to find a mate. Once on land, scuffles often break out as birds defend their nesting sites in the breeding colony. Such quarrels are often surrounded by a crowd of vocal and inquisitive puffin spectators. Puffins try to deter predators such as gulls by flying in large wheeling groups over the sea in front of their colonies. During the breeding season, the puffin's bill is red, yellow, and blue, only fading in late summer. Courting puffins coo and tap their beaks together before meeting. They dig a deep burrow with their beaks and feet. The female lays one egg at the back, which both birds incubate in turn by tucking it under their wing. Once the puffin has hatched, both parents feed it for some 40 days before deserting it. It stays in the burrow for up to 10 days more before heading out to sea. In the past, Atlantic puffins were widely hunted. Today, many die from chemical and oil pollution or drown in fishing nets. Meanwhile, overfishing in the North Atlantic is reducing their food sources. Since puffins are adapted to only live in cold waters and eat cold water fish, global warming threatens to limit their range and affect the distribution of their prey. Rising sea levels could also flood some puffin breeding colonies. Thank you.